All right, we're going to start off with our cinnamon rice. That should take us the longest to make. And so what we want to do is turn on our front burner to about 8. And then we'll come over and measure out 1 cup of water. We'll bring this back to our burner. And we'll add a cube of vegetable bouillon. So we measured out 1 cup because we plan to use a half a cup of rice, so you always want to have a 2-to-1 liquid to rice ratio to make your rice come out. As it should, we'll drop our bouillon cube in, get rid of our paper, and now we can start working on our rice. So we're going to take our white onion and we're going to cut off just a ring. We're going to cut that in half, and the reason why we're doing that is once we do, we can just very easily peel the outside layer of skin off. We'll go ahead and dice our onion into small bits. And then we're going to turn our back burner on where our large pot is. We'll turn that up to about 8, and we'll add a tablespoon of oil.